Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Get ready for Terry and the glider slide.
No, the guide inside.
Oops, Terry and the guide inside.
This is Guided, episode 6, The Keys. This is a comment from V2 on the YouTube channel. He lost his keys at the beach while partying. They're gone, swallowed up by the sand. And the beach, being the most chill and chaotic place to lose something, offers no clues. We fast forward to the next day. He's sober, slightly stressed, because work is calling. And his keys, gone. He doesn't overthink it, doesn't make a master plan. Just walks down to the beach, takes a right, walks 20 yards, stops, reaches down, and puts his hand into the sand. Just once, and pulls up the keys. That's it. No metal detector, no hours of digging, no Google Maps, just guided somehow. He's not even late for work. Makes no sense, but it was help, it was support, and it was obviously guidance. Sometimes they speak in signs, sometimes in dreams, and sometimes they just reroute your feet and give you the coordinates to a miracle in the sand. Have you ever experienced something you cannot logically explain? We would like to read it, to hear it, or to watch it. Check out the description for details. The weirder, the better. This is Guided, true stories of help from somewhere unseen. Thanks for listening. Until next time, my friend.